So here's a grape. It always adds flavor. And this one, because we've got a pineapple, will be our Hawaiian shish kebab. All right, so we're putting in a second shish kebab that's loaded up with a bunch of goodies. The great thing about the ong, okay, this is a full kit, franchised kit. It comes with everything. If you don't know what you're doing, we have a whole package, and within a couple of days you can cook on our own. Second little move we're making, we're going to take these ribs, hang them down at the second level. They hang down by closer to the flame. Same with the wings. The sides of the ong absorb the heat and then reflect it back into the food. That's the secret. You get juicy, juicy food. So this is like the second round here. We're just going to hang these guys a little bit lower. We'll turn the shish kebabs a little bit. Great. Ooh. Fantastic. Fantastic. Which is a tandoori. In Thailand, it's an ong. Everything's cooking along here for about 20 minutes. We have shish kebabs. You can, if you want, you can put about this much food. It's plenty for a good meal. We're cooking some ribs. We have a grill attachment that goes on the top. Whatever you want to do. We actually have a lid as well if you want to slow smoke. This happens to be maca, which is a Thai hardwood and has a fantastic flavor. Yeah, hand painted this one. We have many artists that paint them. They are thick clay tandooris. In the world market, it's called a tandoori. This franchised package, it comes with everything you need to open a restaurant. This particular person wants fast foods. We've got the fish and chip cups, but we're using chips and shish kebab foods. Shish kebab food will go off into the cup, and you have that as a meal with coleslaw. In this case, we've got some chicken wings. But basically, seafood, any kind of meats, any kind of foods you can cook in the ong. We have our own charcoal that I am pushing as hard as I can to stop cutting the trees. This charcoal is 100% coconut shell. It burns longer, hotter, better. It's smokeless. Very little ash is left. Wood, no matter what kind of wood, in a calorie count, can get up to a 5 calorie count. Calories are the measurement of heat. Coconut, 7 and 8. Almost double. We're packaging it in 1 kilo, 3 kilo, and 10 kilo boxes. It burns hotter, longer, it's smokeless, does not cut trees for this charcoal. It's a way better product. We're going to offer it at the same price as you can get normal charcoal for as well. This will burn for 4 hours. It's amazing. Stop cutting the trees to cook. If you want the franchise package, including 100 menus if you want it, whatever menu you want, Brazilian, Mexican, Thai, any kind of meat, South African, whatever you want to cook, you can cook in an ong. We have all kinds of accessories, including a lid for slow smoking, etc. All the hooks for hanging your foods. It's awesome. We can give you ideas. This particular person wants fast food, fish and chip type bucket, chips, and any kind of meat. Anyway, this is a whole package that you can get from us. If you have particular art you like, logos or anything like that, or any color, we do it. If you order in quantities, it can be up to 6 week waiting time for the package, but we do have a lot of things in our showroom right now that are ready to go. That's it. We're cooking.